Hi, this is Nathan Neese of N Squared Learning, and I wanted to talk to you about the things that I've done through this class, LTDE 5350, Emerging Technologies. So we started off the class with creating an infographic about emerging technologies, and I chose to write about big data, conversational artificial intelligent platforms, and augmented reality. And so just how big data can be used as a transformative tool, where your conversational IAs can enhance student engagement, and how augmented reality can really show extraordinary things and make your classroom interactive. So that was that piece. Next was our group project about applying gamification. So our group was Kaylee, Linda, and myself, and our scenario was about the director of athletic advising being concerned that his advisors were not using their time wisely and keeping abreast of regulations and information. So we talked about how using a game could be beneficial, and we chose to decide to use a game called Quiz Whizzer, and it'll boost in player engagement with real-time quiz racing during training. So the racing theme there for athletics. Okay. The next was our scavenger hunt. And I looked at Hardin-Simmons University as my higher education piece, Crave Cupcakes as my small business, ExxonMobil as my large corporation, and then Bike Houston as my non-profit there. Okay. Then next was Microlearning demonstrated. So I claimed my badge as a web explorer. I earned my badge here, and then I chose to look at moons of our solar system using OpenLearn, and that was the badge you can earn for that one. Okay. Next was the presentation about microlearning and stackable credentials. So talked about how micro-credentials were small chunks of education, and how today's our learners are digital, and so they want to be able to share their information quickly digitally and over the internet. And then I chose 5 examples from other universities: University of Dallas School of Business, University of Texas at Austin, their You Teach computer science program, University of Houston, Texas A&M, and North Texas, University of North Texas. Okay. Then I had my self-reflection journal piece. I'm just thinking about how the Christian faith influences the decisions I make, and just want to be a follower of Christ. And it's a risky adventure to walk that narrow and difficult path. So that was my self-reflection piece. And then my technology analysis piece was wanting to enhance our Z-Space augmented and virtual reality systems that we have in the Second Baptist School Science Department. And by adding, it's used now for biology, but I wanted to add the physical sciences and the engineering design bundle to that. So it would be available for use for the chemistry, physics, and the scientific entrepreneurship and design class. And then here's my YouTube video that shares that presentation. Hello, this is Nathan Neese. So enhancements. So that's my video. The student engagement would. All right, so those are the items that we've created through this this class, and I'm happy to share them with you and hope you gain some insight into emerging technologies.